Best triple door refrigerators in India. Best triple door refrigerators come with excellent designs and convenience. They usually include 3 compartments. The triple door fridge makes it easy to arrange your eatables in the multiple compartments. You can keep semi-cooked food items in the lower sections as it's going to help you reduce the bending up to 90%. A 3-door refrigerator is slightly more expensive than a double door fridge. It comes with a size of 235 to 350 liters. In today's date, a refrigerator is not just an appliance with limited functionality of keeping the water cold, but it can also keep all sorts of fruits and veggies fresh for a longer time. You can also store raw meat or any frozen food items in the freezer compartment for several days to keep it fresh. So far, Whirlpool is the only company provides triple door refrigerators in the Indian market. What are the major factors to keep in mind when buying a refrigerator? There are 3 major factors that you need to keep in mind when you are planning to buy a refrigerator. The factors are listed below. The type of refrigerator you want to buy. There are different sizes and designs in the refrigerators. You need to decide if you want to buy a single, double or triple door refrigerator. However, the number of doors does not matter. What really matters is the capacity or size of the fridge. There is a method to decide what size of the fridge is best for your family. For that, multiply the number of members in your family with 80. For example, if you have 5 members in your family, multiply 5 by 80, which comes out to be 400. It means the fridge you want to buy has to be above 400 liter. So, when you buy a fridge, keep this method in your mind so that in future you won't have to regret your decision. The right brand for the refrigerator. There are many brands in the Indian market who manufacture refrigerators. The top listed brands in Indian market are Whirlpool, Samsung, Hitachi, LG, Haier and many others. All brands use different technologies, designs and features. Not all brands have triple doors, inbuilt stabilizers, sixth sense sensors. Do a survey online to analyze the customer ratings and reviews for many brands and models of the available refrigerators. Checking the price of the refrigerator before you buy is very important. The refrigerator is something you don't buy every day, and it's something which could easily cost you between Rs 25,000 to 60,000 depending on the size, design and technology. So, after you have made your mind on a particular refrigerator that you want to buy, do check with local vendors, online shopping websites. Don't forget to check for a triple door refrigerator from Amazon as they are always running good deals and discounts on appliances. Once you get the right price, place an order. Honestly, the triple door refrigerators are perfect for a family of 4 members because they have a bigger storage capacity. Like many others, you must have the presumption that multi-door refrigerators are costlier than single or double door. Well, you are right, but maybe not 100% right though. The triple door refrigerators have those hefty price tags not just because of their size but also because technology wise they are way too advanced. Other than the technology profile, obviously, they come in eye catching designs that completely complement your kitchen and make it look cool. A triple door refrigerator comes with 3 sections. The top section is the freezer where you can store ice and frozen food. The middle section is the refrigerator where you can keep your regular eatables or semi-cooked food, whereas the section in the bottom can be used to keep vegetables and fruits. The multiple compartments in the fridge include a freezer, refrigerator and vegetable section. All the 3 sections have separate cooling mechanisms. The list of triple door refrigerators in India was last updated on 14 February 2020. The best models that come in triple doors in the Indian market are listed below. Whirlpool 240 liter FP263D Royal Proton Frost Free Multi-Door Refrigerator. Alpha Steel. This is a triple door fridge and the best buy refrigerator that has an innovative design with excellent features. The triple door refrigerator has a freezer at the top and bass handle which makes it user friendly. This refrigerator has a size of 240 liter which permits you to store all your food, vegetables, etc. with ease. It has a built-in stabilizer which defends it from power inconsistencies. The fridge has a powerful cooling ability which makes sure that the freshness of vegetables, fruits and food is maintained for a longer time. Specifications. Key features. Toughened glass shelves. The shelves in the refrigerator are made of tempered glass which is heat treated to make it stronger and long lasting. Durable shelves that can take more weight. It's common issue with many fridges that the shelves won't bear the weight of your food items which results in cracks in the shelves or they may even collapse. But with this durable shelves, you really don't have to worry about anything. Adjustable fridge and door shelves. It's pretty easy to use. Shelves can be easily adjusted by switching the handle from the left to the right. They open easily and you don't have to fight to get access to food anymore. Large vegetable crisper. A crisper drawer is a compartment located within a refrigerator designed to prolong the freshness of stored products. Crisper drawers hold another level of moisture from the remainder of the refrigerator, optimizing freshness in fruits and vegetables. Large compartment to store vegetables. In general, this is where all of the fruits and vegetables should get stored. Avoid combining meats with your fruits and greens. Keeping all these eatables together can increase the risk of decay. Moist fresh zone. A smartly designed drawer that gives an optimal atmosphere for keeping eatables in the refrigerator to keep it fresh all the time. A watertight blocks vents mist from disappearing when moisture levels are low and a vent discharges excess moisture when moisture levels are extremely high. Deodorizer. Place an open container with baking soda inside and let it absorb the smells and unstick your refrigerator for at least 24 hours. If baking soda doesn't help, you can also use fresh ground coffee on a plate and set it in the fridge for 24 hours. Pros and cons. Pros. Power consumption is remarkably low as it's a 5-star rated product. You don't have to worry about those big electricity bills. Cools to the highest cooling level quickly and this makes it the fastest cooling fridge available on the market. You get a triple door refrigerator at the price of a double door refrigerator. The fridge comes with a separate vegetable compartment which is very spacious. Cons. It requires light in the top and bottom sections. It's difficult to access things in the dark at night. Dual lock protection. Frequently asked questions. How much electricity does it consume throughout the year? The Whirlpool refrigerator consumes over 360 units per year, which is quite less than the other old refrigerators. What is the star rating equivalent for the Whirlpool 3-door fridge? I'm afraid, but this particular model does not have any B energy ratings. What does door orientation multi-door mean? The multi-door means that it's a 3-part door that includes the top section where you can store ice and frozen food. The middle section is the regular refrigerator to keep your daily eatables or dairy products. Last but not least, the bottom section is to store fruits and vegetables. Do we need to buy a stabilizer? No. You really don't have to buy a stabilizer as it has an inbuilt stabilizer. The best part about it is whenever there are power fluctuation, it defends the compressor from any harm or damage. Simply put, the inbuilt stabilizer protects your fridge from power cuts and voltage fluctuations. Whirlpool Frost-Free Multi-Door 330-liter refrigerator model number FP343D Proton Roy. Enjoy efficient storage of all your food items with the amazing Whirlpool refrigerator that comes packed with a range of effective storage measures to ensure you cut costs at many fronts and enjoy healthy stored food at all times. The refrigerator is ideal for fruits and vegetables thanks to the 6th Sense Active Fresh technology. The sensor in the refrigerator work in tandem to keep your fruits and vegetables crisp, while some antimicrobial additive support to kill up to 99.9% bacteria to keep your fridge infection free. The refrigerator claims of an uncommon 3-door setup that enables you to store things according to their nature so that their fragrances do not jumble and cause heated effects. The astonishing features are supported by the vast yet beautiful design that present it as a perfect food and beverage selection for you. Specifications or key features: moisture retentions. In normal refrigerators, the cool air reaches directly in connection with fruits and vegetables and strips them of their essential moisture. But in this refrigerator, the chilly air circulates throughout the section, retaining the eatables fresh while maintaining their moisture and natural freshness. 6th Sense Active Fresh technology. The innovative 6th Sense Active Fresh technology combines Active Fresh Zone with moisture retention and the unbelievable micro block which maintains your fruits and vegetables freshness for a longer time. Fresh Keeper feature keeps vegetable fresh for a long time. Microblock technology. Microblock is a unique antimicrobial additive that is present in the material of the section itself, which eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and facilitates permanent safeguard against infections. Air boosters. The new air booster system controls the circulation of the cold air so that each compartment receives the precise cooling it requires. This is something not simply gives the most effective cooling but also limits odor blending among the 3 compartments. Pros and cons. Pros: the fridge comes with energy efficiency that makes it worth the price tag it has got. Cools the fastest. Total value for your money. Cons: very little light in the freezer and vegetable compartment. The lighting issues is somehow the only negative point of this fridge. Frequently asked questions. Can we plug the fridge in the power plug until the company installation person arrives? I would suggest not to take the fridge out of the box and not to plug the fridge in the power unless the person comes in for the installation, because if the fridge doesn't work in the absence of the installation person, the warranty will go void. Can we fit a standard size fridge water bottle on the door tray of the middle door easily? Oh yes, you can keep any bottle with a capacity of 2 liters in the door tray without any problems, and I assume you can keep at least 3 bottles. Is it B Energy 5-star rating fridge? Yes, it's a B Energy 5-star rating fridge, which will make sure the electricity consumption is really less and you would not really have to worry about electricity bills. Does it have light in all 3 compartments? The only drawback I see about the fridge is that there are no lights in the top and the bottom sections. However, it does have a superb light in the center section. Whirlpool Frost-Free Multi-Door 300-liter refrigerator. Model number FP313 Deep Proton Roy. Experience pure and healthy food every day with the Whirlpool fridge. Powered with the Sixth Sense Active Fresh technology, this refrigerator can benefit you maintaining the freshness of fruits and vegetables for a longer period. It guarantees the maximum cooling on separate shelves and the sections with air boosters. This system controls the cold airflow while the refrigerator provides the needed amount of cooling. It guarantees effective cooling and also restricts the mixing of various food orders. This most reliable Whirlpool refrigerator has a 3D door construction that maintains the flavor of food items. You can stock up foods with a great smell regularly in this refrigerator without suffering from any spoilage. Specifications, key features: 300 liters 3-door refrigerator. The modern household has enormous demands for storing ample food items and drinks. Fridge with a capacity of 300 liters is ideal to meet such escalating demands. You can easily store a lot of food, beverage, fruits and vegetables in this fridge. Toughened glass shelves. Refrigerator shelves are durable, sanitary and easy to clean. Glass refrigerator shelves are truly made of tempered glass, which is more durable, more permanent and less prone to breaking and cracking than normal glass. Frost-free defrosting. Every 6 hours or so, the timer turns on the heating coil. The warming coil is covered with the freezer coils. The heater dissolves the ice of these coils. When all of the ice is gone, the temperature sensor senses the warmth increasing over 32 degrees F or 0 degrees Celsius and switches off the heater. Air boosters. It's equipped with a freshness booster and its air boost system maintains just the right temperature to keep the vegetables fresher for longer. Sixth Sense ActiFresh. Whirlpool's Proton series of refrigerators feature the company's copyrighted Sixth Sense ActiFresh technology, which challenges to offer up to 2 extra freshness in fruits and vegetables. It does so by preventing excessive wrappings of fruits and vegetables and sustaining their natural moisture. Moisture retention technology. In common fridges, the cool air comes directly in connection with fruits and vegetables and steals their essential moisture. Yet, in Proton World series fridges, the cool air circulates everywhere in all compartments, holding the cooling and keeping their moisture and natural freshness for a longer time. Pros and cons. Pros: the fridge comes with power saving mode through which you can end up saving a lot of money per year while storing massive amount of food and other items in it. Its fast cooling technology cools anything so fast that it will surely leave you amazed. The fridge is worth the price you need to pay for it. So, you might not think twice before unchaining your pocket. Cons. There is somehow a lack of lighting at the top and bottom of the fridge, which makes it little not much difficult to directly hit the thing you want to take out of the fridge. Frequently asked questions. What is the height of this fridge? The height of this fridge is 5 foot 8 inches, which is somewhat 173 centimeters, and can be kept anywhere in the house. You don't have to stand on your toes even if something is kept above your fridge. Does the compressor have inverter technology? I'm afraid, but this particular model does not have an inverter technology in the compressor, so you have to buy a separate stabilizer to prevent any sort of damage to the compressor. Do we have to call for installation or not? Well, once you get the delivery for your refrigerator at your place, you will get a call confirming if they can come for the installation and demo, so you don't have to call anyone. But in case you don't receive a call or no one has shown up for installation, you should call the vendor from where you purchased it and call the manufacturer directly. What is the width of this refrigerator? The width of this refrigerator is approximately 1.9 feet. That is a regular size for 300-liter fridge with any brand. Conclusion. In this article, we witness all the important happening technologies in the world of refrigerators. We also study how they are changing and helping out our cooling necessities. Whirlpool has usually remained the leader in refrigeration technology and modernization. Triple door refrigerators include the most advanced technologies that empower users to fully customize their cooling requirements. Technologies like a dual fan, ice beam door, and 3D airflow assures that the cooling air is divided equally and reduces the ambient heat from penetrating the refrigerator. Chilling gel at cooling wall and diamond edges assures that the cooling locks inside the fridge for long even through the electricity cuts. The inverter compressor is one of the most wonderful additions in the refrigeration industry, supporting to deliver optimized cooling, reducing energy consumption, minor noise, longer life, and a lessened carbon trail.